Slowly and surely this world starts to take its stranglehold on you. And the need or the want becomes a part of you. The ego. Praying, my niggas, you just praying.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Raising Dion Decoded. I am the Godfather. Jamar Bob, what up, baby? A single mother must hide her young son's superpowers to protect them from exploitation while investigating their origins and her husband's death. A widowed single mom discovers that her son has superpowers and tries to figure out how to raise him safely and responsibly. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, go check out Panic's "You Are Nothing More Than Archon Vampire Food" video. This energy is real and true indeed, and must be dealt with accordingly. This Demiurge energy is all around us, and thrives and feeds off of our emotions. Now we all know that there are two primary vibrations, love and fear. This feeding source is a fear-based vibration, and comes in different forms and ways. Let's name some of these emotions. Name some of these ways. Jealousy, worry, angry, sad, neediness. Let's talk about this energy of neediness. This energy of neediness is putting us in a constant state of food source, suckage from this earth's natural instincts, survive and maintain. Let me expound upon this neediness energy. When a baby is born, it has a primal ego. Its basic needs are trying to be met, and neediness is just them coming from this place where everything is instant. The astral. If you come from instant manifestation to all of a sudden have to wait to get titty, you would cry too. Slowly and surely this world starts to take its stranglehold on you. And the need or the want becomes a part of you. The ego. Praying, my niggas, you just praying. In Raising Dion, Dion is a young boy that wants to fit in with his friends and not look weak or corny. He has a true friend in Esperanza who he enjoys doing things with. But she doesn't look like everyone else and enjoys quote unquote baby things, loser things. But the one aspect of her is she loves herself unconditionally. Dion enjoys those things too, but he's letting his ego get in the way of his happiness and being free. Letting his worry take hold on him. Little does he know, he has a unicorn right by his side.
Somebody with a unicorn shirt on, just like really random instances.
This childlike spirit, this knowing and non-attachment of the world, is a true order of a chaos being. Go check out my 5 ways to stay in a childlike spirit video. What is non-attachment? Non-attachment is letting go of the thoughts and emotions that create suffering. Once you can stop being so attached to your thoughts, you will experience tremendous relief, inner peace, and a pervading sense of joyful well-being. When you free yourself of this world, in the world but not of the world, you're freeing yourself from this Demiurge food source energy from feeding off of you. I'm Dion's godfather. Now it's easy to see who the Demiurge energy is in this series. Or maybe not. The Demiurge energy disguises itself in any form, situation, person, etc. Pat was the electrical storm, the crooked man, the storm killer, the energy electrical charge that was draining chaos beings of their battery-packed energy, eating them like a food source, killing his best friend so he can feed and maintain his frame in this world. I'll do anything to survive. His next feeding source was his godson. Now when I say godson, I'm talking about that false creator god, Adalderbra, Yahi Vahi, Zeus, and all these guys that's here for the suckage. Yeah, including them 12. You know them 12. That 12 everyone loves to brag about. Yeah, those 12 guys are still part of this illusion. The Zodiacs is just an expression of your ego. Nothing more and nothing less.
Boom.
But I'm talking to the chaos beings though. Those who know that they are greater than this illusion. Pat was a worker at Biona. Biona is a lab where they find out the mysteries of melanin. Biona name meaning means independent, determined, and secretive. The name also signifies appreciation for the beauties of nature, as well as your intense desire for freedom. Motivation for you to seek activities in the outdoors, free from limitations. See, we were seeing Biona as a negative place, a government agency, and the case is still out in season 2. But all they wanted to do was find out the truth about nature and the world that we live in. They had techs go up to see the aurora lights, which is a magical spectacle of the earth. But as we know, Earth has a feeding energy and melanated superpower energy. You are the melanin superpower being. You are Dion. You are the X-Man. You have all these superpowers within you and are weakening them by the will of this world, by the food source of this world, the Demiurge.
I'm too weak. Oh, don't kill me.
In ancient times, Atlantis and Lemuria, we were able to do things in the blink of an eye. As the vibratory rate slowed down, we became more a part of this world and less a part of our true world, the spirit world, Sirius B, the Munda. As Dion gained more and more control over his emotions, he was able to use his powers how he seen fit. But that Demiurge energy is always lurking and is right under your nose. Pat tries to get Dion to heal him, but when Dion heals him, his energy dies. Superpowers are non-existent and he's killing himself off. The drainage of a battery. You're the electrical charge. You must always keep your battery powered up and ready for whatever.
Message.
I'll be remiss if I didn't add Mom to the mix. The black female is God. Period.
Okay.
She is the protector, the great mother, and the manipulator of your chaos. Nicole is in the world, trying to keep her son, S-U-N, protected from the world and the crooked man, Demiurge. She sacrifices herself for the greatest good, raising a superhero. I don't give a fuck what religion, what mind control, emotional suffering your mother is in. She is sacrificing her goddesshood to bring forth you. You. Yeah, you as this chaos being. Whatever experiences you went through with your mother, It brought you into consciousness. The idea now for the family is to release your mother from the hold she had on you and understand her going through what she did was a sacrifice to letting you reign supreme. Just like in Nicole's situation with Dion, Nicole sacrificed her one and only true love, dancing, to bringing forth that chaos being we know as Dion. Mark, Dion's dad, gets taken out by Pat, but is always by Dion's side. What does this remind us of? Osiris. And Osiris is what? Subconscious mind. Mark doesn't die. Energy doesn't die. It just transfers. And now he's able to help Dion navigate in this matrix. He can only see superhumans, screams Esperanza. He can only see light, and this is key in the energy source we're trying to garner. Light. The more light you have, the more these spirits can see you and give you the beneficial things to maneuver through this world. But not out of fear, out of love. And love to just know. In the world, but not of the world. The ultimate observer. The ultimate observer that manipulates this matrix without trying. They destroyed Pat, the crooked man, Sky Daddy. The crooked enslave you, you send them prayers like Sky Daddy blessing black people with good behavior, like, you're a good nigga, you're a good nigga, here's a gold sticker. They destroy the Storm Killer, and his energy is dissipated and moves on. I don't think you kill off this Demiurge energy. Energy doesn't die, remember? It only transfers. It's up to you to be in control of your emotions. You have to ultimately control this illusion. Chaos being, Titan, the magician. In the world but not of the world. Make this Demiurge energy chase you. And stop chasing it. And watch your superpowers come alive. Dream wise.